Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GM OnStar EV services for alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your vehicle is compatible with GM OnStar EV services. Download the My Chevrolet or My Buick app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, select your vehicle from the list if it's not automatically displayed. Tap on the Services section within the app. Look for the option labeled OnStar Services and select it. If prompted, enter your vehicle identification number or VIN. Review the terms and conditions, then accept to proceed. Enable notifications in your app settings to receive alerts. Select the specific alerts you want to receive, such as charging notifications or maintenance reminders. Adjust your notification preferences according to your needs. Once set, ensure you save all changes before exiting the settings. Close the app and restart it to confirm your settings are active. Check the notifications on your smartphone to verify. Congratulations! You are now registered for GM OnStar EV services alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.